This is a 1-minute candlestick chart for gold. If you watch it play out in real time, it usually looks like a frantic blur of price spikes, whipping up and down without any obvious rhythm or trend. Most day traders trying to navigate this time frame burn out quickly. They treat the rapid movements like a Twitch reaction game, trying to guess the next sudden drop or spike based entirely on instinct and reflex. But the reality of price action is much more deliberate. These markets do not move randomly. Every swing is driven by a calculated institutional intention. Institutional players treat this environment as a mechanical hunting ground. They maneuver specifically to capture liquidity, the resting money accumulated from retail stop losses. To pull consistent profits from the 1-minute chart, you have to stop reacting to the speed of individual candles and start reading the structural blueprint underneath them. The blueprint begins taking shape during the quiet hours of the trading day. We start by looking at the Asia trading session, which runs from 6 p.m. to midnight Eastern Time. This chart shows how price behaves during that window. The movement is typically flat and tightly controlled, consolidating to form a distinct ceiling and a floor. These boundaries represent pools of liquidity. As traders buy and sell within this range, their protective stop losses accumulate in heavy clusters, just above the high and just below the low. The moment the clock strikes midnight, the London session opens, volume floods in, and the active hunt for those stop losses begins. The market aggressively breaks out of one side of the Asian range to trigger those resting orders. If it sweeps the high, it signals that big players are preparing to sell. If it sweeps the low, they're preparing to buy. That sweep dictates our bias for the day. But knowing the intended direction is only half the battle. A sudden sweep is dangerous, and it does not give you a safe place to enter the trade. Before risking any capital, you need a confirmed entry signal. You have to wait for a structural reaction called displacement. Looking closely at this chart of a price sweep, we are waiting for a change in state of delivery. This occurs when a strong, impulsive move reverses away from the initial sweep and aggressively closes past the previous run of candles. That structural break confirms a shift in institutional momentum, signaling that the initial sweep was a trap designed to induce the wrong direction. Now the mechanical execution begins. You draw a Fibonacci measurement tool over that new impulsive wave, stretching it from the absolute top of the move down to its lowest close. We are looking for the exact 50% midpoint of that displacement wave. This equilibrium line is exactly where smart money waits to reload their positions on a pullback. The parameters for the trade are strict. You place a limit entry order right at that 50% mark. Your protective stop loss goes just past the absolute peak of the wave to cover spreads, and your take profit is set to exactly double your risk, a fixed 2-to-1 reward. By strictly waiting for price to retrace to this midpoint, you stop chasing volatile emotional spikes. You execute safely, entering the market in lockstep with institutional mechanics. This structural blueprint reveals a system of perfectly aligned mechanical order hidden deep within the fast-paced 1-minute candles. Relying on a rigid step-by-step checklist removes the anxiety of managing active trades. There is no guessing. You set your orders, step back, and let the probabilities play out. Building a profitable track record doesn't require staring at a dozen complex indicator overlays or even having a mastery of macroeconomic trends on higher timeframes. True consistency arrives the moment you stop reacting to the market out of fear and instead wait patiently for the market's mechanics to reveal themselves to you.